Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to start streaming on Twitch. Firstly, go to Twitch Studio on the official Twitch site and click the download button and install the app on your PC or Mac. Now launch Twitch Studio and log in with your Twitch account. Follow the onboarding prompts like connecting your microphone for voice chat or connecting your webcam if you want to show your face. Twitch Studio lets you easily personalize your stream, choose or create scenes, add overlays like chat box, followers or sub alerts or background music, and try different looks until you're happy. It's all beginner friendly. Once everything is set up, just click Start Stream at the bottom. Choose your stream category like Just Chatting or Fortnite, then give your stream a title. And finally, go live. Use Twitch Studio first if you're a beginner. It's easier than OBS or Ecamm Live. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.